Through it, just so we have the sequence. 1, 2, ready, go. And stop. And 1, 2, and switch.
Roll.
Hold. Hold. Good.
Pulse.
Fly, damn it.
To up, switch, have a moment. Leap. Tour.
Be Wolfie.
Where will we go over to Wolfie? What the heck is that?
But, yeah.
And flick.
Right.
Flick. Jump.
Down. Plant. Right. You roll to the floor.
Roll 1, 2 to the arch.
Right.
I'm up. Here, and then
Careful.
Crawl this way. Flip. Crawl this way. Flip. Crawl. Feet under him. Crawl.
Let him do 1. Good. And then you do roar. Yep. Stop. Right. Stop. Roll away. And then send you on your way. Wait, what? Yes. I'm not going that way. And stop. Right. Down. Barrel. Roll. Right. Yes. And stop. And crawl. Up. And 1, 2, hook. Hook. Switch. Hook. Pivot. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Breakaway. Tyler goes. Will stop. Tyler.
No, this way. Back.
Yeah.
So this way, and then.
You need to go this way.
Okay.
So grab this way.
So back this way.
And then step in front of him and push your right hand on his chest. And push him back. Right. And then you go to the floor. And you go to the floor. I don't know. We'll figure that out.
And then
Yeah.
we'll figure it out.
There's floor and then.
Come second time. I push him back this way. I do you now. I mean now.
Right.
I know, I just don't know you.
But yeah.
So I go down, I go up, and then I come around, and you face. That's what I missed, it's the face. We don't do that grab, we do face first.
Yes.
Then face.
And then up, walk, and then Tyler goes, hey, what? Boom. And then he comes and pushes Will. Boom, 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 boom. And then you push Will down.
Then stop, drop, roll.
And then you go over. Right. Exactly. And then we'll resolve.